Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Is it time to replace your kitchen faucet? You may want to consider this beautiful, simple, modern style from Hoanmpy. This is a beautiful industrial style matte black pull down faucet that I have really fallen in love with. The faucet is a beautiful pull down sprayer that comes in a matte black. It's made of stainless steel and it really fits in with the industrial style that I was looking for as I've slowly been adding this style into my kitchen. It has a 360-degree swivel, so it really moves from sink to sink very easily. It also has a super flexible hose. And you can see inside it has a pivot so that it very easily can be maneuvered to rinse out your dishes or whatever you're working with. I really like that the button, once you press it, you will switch to the shower stream and you don't have to hold it down, but rather you can just press that button and then switch it back when you're ready for your regular flow of water. Underneath you can see that it has a unique weighted ball, so this was so that the hose can easily set right back into the faucet. The beautiful sleek design is really pretty and simple, but also it's very easy to use. Everything glides very easily back and forth, whether you're working with the hose, the faucet itself, or with the hot and cold. The soap dispenser is also very easy to push down. There's no resistance that comes from it at all. If you're looking for a beautiful upgrade, you will be very happy with all of the qualities of this faucet. All of the materials are really durable feeling and it's really sleek and simple. I really love the style as well as its great features that really help the kitchen to feel like it's gotten a really needed facelift in the sink area. And that's my point of view.